The introduction to business ethics. Business ethics refer to the moral principles that guide business activity and decision making. It ensures that organizations operate with honesty, fairness, integrity, and responsibility. Business ethics help build trust among stakeholders such as customers, employees, suppliers, investors, and society. Ethical business practice promote transparency, accountability, and long-term sustainability. For the background of Gardenia Bakery, Kuala Lumpur Sendirian Berhad, Gardenia Bakery Kuala Lumpur Sendirian Berhad is one of Malaysia's leading bakery manufacturers. The company was established in 1986 through a joint venture between QAF Limited and Bernas. Gardenia is widely recognized for producing fresh, high-quality bakery products. Its products are trusted and consumed by millions of Malaysians every day. Further histories and operations in Malaysia. Gardenia's journey began in 1969 when Horatia Slocum introduced the idea of a modern bakery in Malaysia. The company was officially incorporated in 1986 and launched its first Gardenia bread in the Malaysian market. Today, Gardenia operates several bakeries across peninsular Malaysia. The company produces more than 50 food products, including breads, buns, cakes, waffles, wraps, bread, and noodles. Its bakeries operate 24 hours a day to ensure product freshness and continuous supply. For the mission, vision, and core value. For the missions, to improve the quality of life by providing fresh, nutritious, delicious and high quality bakery products while maintaining customer satisfaction. For the visions, to become the preferred bakery brand by delivering superior quality products and excellent customer service. For the core values, commitment to quality and food safety, customer satisfaction and trust, continuous innovations and improvement, integrity and ethical business practice, and the teamwork and professionalism, compliance with halal standards. That's all for me.
Corporate social responsibility refers to a company's commitment to conducting business in an ethical manner while contributing positively to society. As one of the leading bakery companies in Malaysia, Gardenia actively carries out various CSR initiatives that benefit both the community and the company itself. One of Gardenia's main CSR efforts is providing food assistance to those in need. The company frequently distributes bread products to underprivileged communities, welfare homes, and individuals affected by the emergencies, such as floods and other disasters. Gardenia also supports educational and youth development programs by working with schools and community organizations to promote healthy eating habits among children and young adults. Besides that, Gardenia collaborates with charities and social welfare organizations to extend its support to more vulnerable groups. The company also places importance on employee welfare by providing a safe working environment, fair treatment, and opportunities for career development. In addition, Gardenia practices responsible manufacturing by focusing on food safety, operational efficiency, and waste reduction. These efforts help the company maintain product quality while support long-term sustainability. The impact of these initiatives can be explained through the concept of shared value, where both society and the company benefit. By providing affordable and quality bakery products, Gardenia meets the needs of consumers while building trust and strengthening its reputation. This creates a strong relationship between the company, its customers, and the community. Customers continue to support Gardenia because they trust the quality and reliability of its product, while the company contributes to economic and social well-being through its business activities. In conclusion, Gardenia's CSR initiatives demonstrate that business success and social responsibility can go hand in hand. Through its contributions to society and commitment to ethical business practices, Gardenia continues to create value for both the company and the wider community.
Okay, now let me see Islamic business ethic and sustainable development goals. Islamic business ethic is the set of moral rules or principles that govern businesses practice based on the religious teaching of Islam. It focuses on doing fair businesses, honest business, and after its result responsibility business for the appreciation of Allah. There are a few principles: amanah, justice, ihsan, honesty and transparency, halal compliance, and social responsibility. Okay, now let we see relationship between Gardenia and Islamic ethic. Okay, now let we see relationship between Gardenia and Islamic ethic. Islamic business ethic is an aspect that has always been a part of the character in Gardenia Bakery in KL. They are committed to practicing halal compliant honesty and trust. Gardenia make great effort to ensure that the product is provided to meet halal guidelines. Okay, next, Gardenia is also honest in giving true information about the product, ingredient, and nutritional value. This is being done a part of the effort to make it more accessible for Muslims to consume the Gardenia products. The trust is another Islamic value reflected in the operation of Gardenia in businesses. The company always offers fresh and good quality bakery products, therefore supporting trust with consumer. Okay, now let we see analysis of business ethical practice. One of the major concerns is the quality and safety of the food produced, and Gardenia have put in place strict quality control measures to ensure that their products are of high quality. Okay, next, Gardenia always honest in conducting their business, so the consumer always trusts the quality and consistency of its products, plus evaluating of business in the field of businesses for trust and reliability in Malaysia. And the last one, Gardenia make sure their place have a good environment and a productive work environment to encourage teamwork. So, for relevant sustainable development goals, they have 4. First, good health and well-being. Second is comprehensive, inclusive and equitable employment. And third is quality production and consumption. And the last one is innovation and infrastructure. Okay, lastly is linked with Islamic Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR). This link focus on the extent that companies are not only responsible for profit but also responsible for the service of society in the conservation of the environment or fulfilling the duty towards Allah.
For this session, I would like to present about Gardenia environmental ethics. So Gardenia has practices environmental ethics by reducing energy usage, minimizing food waste, improving packaging efficiency, complying with environmental regulation, and sourcing ingredient responsible, and this effort help to reduce the company environmental footprints. So the second is environmental impact of operation. As a large bakery manufacturer, Gardenia's operation consume energy, water and raw materials. Transportation activity generate carbon emissions while plastic packaging contribute to waste. Although the company has implemented waste reduction measures for further improvement can be made to enhance environmental sustainability. Next is triple bottom line, which have 3 aspects like people aspect. So for Gardenia contributes to society by providing many job opportunities in areas such as manufacturing, logistics, sales and administration. The company also produces affordable brake products that are easily accessible to consumers. In addition, Gardenia maintains high food safety and quality standards to ensure customer satisfaction and health. The company also supports community programs and charitable activities. However, Gardenia must continue to ensure employee welfare, workplace safety, and fair labor practices throughout its operation. The second is the planet aspect. Gardenia has taken several steps to reduce its environmental impact. The company improved production efficiency to reduce energy consumption and minimize food waste through better inventory management. It also complies with environmental regulation and promotes responsible sourcing of ingredients. However, there are still environmental challenges such as the use of plastic packaging, energy consumption in production, and carbon emission for transportation activities. Therefore, Gardenia can further improve by increasing environmental transparency and adopting more sustainable practices. Thirdly, the profit aspect. Gardenia is one of the leading brand in Malaysia and has strong customer trust and brand recognition. Its profitability allows the company to continue investing in product quality, innovation, and efficient distribution system. This also helps create employment opportunities and support long-term business growth. However, the company faces challenges such as rising raw material costs and fuel prices and increasing consumer demand for sustainable products. The next is Gen 1 CSR or marketing. Gardenia's CSR efforts appear to be partly genuine as sustainability and food safety practices are integrated into daily operation rather than being limited to promotional campaigns. The company contributes society through employment, product accessibility, and community engagement.
For ethical challenges, Gardenia faces several ethical challenges in maintaining its business sustainability. The company must manage rising operational costs, including raw materials, energy, and transportation expenses, while keeping its product affordable for consumers. Intense competition in the bakery industry also creates pressure to maintain profitability without compromising product quality and ethical standards. In addition, fluctuations in the supply of raw materials can affect production efficiency and consistency. The company must also meet high consumer demand while ensuring product freshness, food safety, and customer satisfaction. As a conclusion, Gardenia Bakery Sendian Berhad has successfully integrated business ethics, Islamic values, CSR, and sustainability into its operations. The company contributes positively to society through quality products, community engagement, and responsible business practice. Despite facing challenges such as rising cost, competition, raw material uncertainties, and increasing demand, Gardenia remains committed to maintaining high standards of quality and ethical conduct. Continuous improvements in sustainability, transparency, and innovation will further strengthen its position as a trusted and responsible bakery company in Malaysia. We move to the recommendation. For the first one is sustainable packaging. Gardenia should use more environmentally friendly packaging materials and reduce the use of plastic. The company can also improve waste management and apply energy-efficient technologies. These steps are important to reduce environmental impact and support long-term sustainability. For the recommendation 2, improve transparency. Gardenia should publish more detailed sustainability reports that explain their environmental and social performance. The company should also set clear and measurable targets, such as reducing waste and energy usage. This will improve transparency and build stronger trust with stakeholders. The third one is strengthen supply chain management. Gardenia should diversify its suppliers to reduce dependence on a single source. It should also build a strong and reliable relationship with suppliers. This will help ensure a stable supply of raw materials and reduce risks such as shortage or price increases. The last one is invest in employees, innovation, and CSR. Gardenia should continue investing in employee training, technological innovation, and CSR activities. Employee training can improve productivity, while innovation can enhance product quality and efficiency. CSR programs can also strengthen the company's reputation and its relationship with the community. That's all for me.